Days of quiet weather here across the South Plains. Here's your weather headlines. Although we're going to be looking at some changes as we head into the latter part of this weekend into early next week. This ridge that's been keeping us very hot and very dry, keeping those temperatures at or near 100 degrees. We'll begin to break down just a little bit, and the potential for a little bit more moisture back into the area, and once again some storm chances possibly as we head into the next few days or so. So a little bit to watch there at bay, but right now, current scan across Texas and the southern plains right now showing cloud-free, storm-free anywhere you go across the Lone Star State and portions of Oklahoma, keeping all of their shower and thunderstorm activity out across New Mexico. That's all the monsoonal moisture and a little bit of activity out here across the southeast as well. But great travel weather across Texas, but very hot though. We're looking at this ridge of high pressure that's keeping us baking and hot out here across the central plains. Take a look at all the excessive heat warnings, heat advisories across the center part of the country. Yes, those temperatures, those heat indexes topping out well over 100 degrees. Thankfully, we're not going to be looking at very hot temperatures across the South Plains, but still very warm for this time of year. Those highs near 100 degrees at times versus excessive heat warnings out across the Central Plains. But dry weather persists over the next few days or so. Here's your futurecast taking us into tomorrow morning. Yeah, we're noticing cloud-free sunshine tomorrow afternoon. Remember to stay hydrated, wear the sunscreen. Those temperatures once again very warm, very hot, and then Saturday noticing just a few high clouds off to our northwest with a few isolated showers out across eastern New Mexico. Now, forecast as we head into early next week, later this weekend, yeah, the model's beginning to pick up on a little bit of moisture as that ridge breaks down and moves off toward the west-southwest. We're looking at rainfall totals generally from this model's perspective out at least 1/10 of an inch or less, 600s here in Lubbock as we head into early Tuesday morning. And then as we head into the middle part of next week, well, models a little bit picking up on a little bit more rainfall as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, near 1/4 of an inch. But again, this is long range and something that we'll continue to watch for you and has the potential to provide us with some relief as we head into next week. Tonight's lows will range from the low to mid 70s, 72 here in Lubbock, low to mid 70s across the rolling plains, 75 in Paducah, and those mid to upper 60s across the west and northwest. Dimmitt checking in tomorrow morning right around 69 degrees. So another mild night, another hot afternoon as that ridge still is in dominance across our region. 101 here in Lubbock, low 100s off into the rolling plains, 102 in Spur, upper 90s out across the west northwest, 99 into Castro County once again. So wear the sunscreen, stay hydrated. Tonight's lows once again 72 degrees here in Lubbock, clear in mild south-southwest winds 8 to 16 miles per hour. Rain chances zip, and it will stay like that as we head into the next few days or so. As we break it down into your 3-day forecast, 101, 100 degrees, lots of sunshine, stay hydrated, wear the sunscreen, but notice those changes arrive in our forecast as we head into Sunday. A watch put in right now with a high temperature at least breaking that century mark, a few degrees down, 97 on Sunday. As we head into the early part of next week as well, the moisture returns, possible some storm chances Sunday and on Tuesday, but those highs dip down below